Well, the political storm over the Ram Mandir Chanda Chori skit has now escalated into a legal battle, with an FIR being registered in Varanasi against Rahul Gandhi, Pappu Yadav as well as Avdesh Prasad over their satirical performance inside the Parliament complex. The complaint filed by Sears alleges that the skit insulted Sanatan Dharma and hurt religious sentiments. The BJP has termed it a mockery of Sanatan culture and is demanding strict action, while the opposition maintains it was a protest over the alleged Ram Mandir donation scam and says that raising the issue cannot be treated as a crime. The fallout of the Chanda Chori skit was also seen today when the independent MP Pappu Yadav was targeted during a press conference in Delhi. Now, he claims that it was because of the entire controversy that a man hurled a shoe at him, triggering a scuffle. We have breaking updates now coming in. In the probe related to the attack on Pappu Yadav, sources say that two suspects identified as Sumit and Happy have been identified and are being questioned by the police. The two say that they travelled to Delhi on Saturday after seeing news reports, and they wanted to support the Sears. They allege that they confronted the MP and then were assaulted by his supporters. They deny carrying any knife or any other weapon. Remember, Pappu Yadav claimed that the attacker had a knife on him, but that has been denied by the attackers. And they say that footwear was thrown only after they were allegedly beaten up.
तो हम भीतर गए, हमारी चेकिंग होके गई, हम पे कोई कुछ नहीं था। तो हम भीतर गए तो वहाँ प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही थी। तो हमने केवल उनसे इतना कहा, पप्पू यादव जी, आप सम्मानित व्यक्ति हैं, पर आप हमारे साधु संतों पर, जो देश के साधु संत हैं, उनके भगवा वस्त्रों को पहनकर ऐसे नीचे डोल रहे हैं, और हमारे जो आराध्य भगवान श्री राम हैं, उन्हें वो अवधेश प्रताप जो सांसद है उसके जो है पैरों में गिर रहे हैं। इसका क्या मतलब है? भाई, आप इस प्रोपेगेंडा को बंद कीजिए। और जो केवल इतनी बात कहने पे उन्होंने और उनके लोगों ने हमें मानना शुरू कर दिया।
My colleague Dave is joining us on the broadcast with the details that the police officials have obtained on the attackers. Dave, not one but two people have been identified by the police officials. Do they have any political affiliations? What are the details? Why did they attack Pappu Yadav? What are the police officials saying?
Firstly, as far as their profile is concerned, Happy, who was sitting in the car outside, and the main accused, Sumit, who had come inside, both of them are residents of Bulandshahr. They have no past criminal history or criminal antecedents on them. However, the police are probing the matter. And as far as the main accused Sumit is concerned, he is employed in Ghaziabad. And as far as the other criminal sections are concerned, while the police are further interrogating them and probing the matter, no official word from the police has come out yet where they have ruled out, because in the initial videos, the knife that was found was believed to be on them, and one of them, Sumit, the accused, at that point in time hurled a footwear at Pappu Yadav after getting into a verbal altercation with him during a media press conference. Pappu Yadav was in fact speaking on the FIR registered against him, Rahul Gandhi and Mr. Avdesh in Varanasi. So he was coming out and issuing a sort of clarification in terms of the case details. That's when around 6:15 p.m. today, this incident took place. However, the police have taken both of them into custody, and they were initially taken to Tilak Marg police station. And while I also, like I mentioned earlier as well, that the police official version from the DCP is yet to come out, and they're going to further clarify in terms of what their intentions was. But as far as the primary motive is concerned, they were offended by two things of how Pappu Yadav 2-3 days ago in the parliament projected Lord Ram and the entire Ram temple theft case, and also the fact that he dressed up as saint, and several saints across North India and other parts of the country as well were offended by it. These are what the initial primary details are, but we will continue to track this case further.
Okay, all right, Dev, thank you for joining us with all those details. So, preliminary investigations reveal that they were offended by the skit. They were offended by the religious sentiments being hurt, and that's the reason why they attacked Pappu Yadav. They had been detained by the police officials. But let's tell you more details. Times Now, in fact, also spoke to Pappu Yadav himself, and he said that this was an attempt to attack him with a knife. He said that he did not insult Sanatan Dharma in any way, and he said that he was attacked merely because of the skit. Listen in.
हमारे साथ पूर्णिया सांसद पप्पू यादव, उनसे बात करेंगे। सर, ये बताइए किस तरीके से और किन लोगों ने आपके ऊपर हमला किया? सर
सब तो थे ही ना। आज जनता नहीं होती मैं बोल नहीं पाऊंगा सर। आज जनता नहीं होती तो हम नहीं बचते। लगातार बाहर बैठे संत, कई बाबा बोल रहे हैं कि जला दो, कई लोग बोल रहे हैं मार दो, कई लोग बोल रहे हैं बाहर से ही लोग मरवाना चाहते हैं। कल मेरे बच्चों के घर पर जाके धमकी दिए। क्यों सर? काहे मेरे बच्चों के घर पर आप गए? गलती यदि मैंने, आपको लगता है कि मेरा आवाज उठाना गलत है क्या? हनुमान जी को नचाओ तब ठीक, राम की पतंग उड़ाओ तो ठीक, चंपत राय सबकी चोरी कर ले तो ठीक, गिरियक जब कोषाध्यक्ष सब कुछ गायब कर दे तो ठीक, शंकराचार्य पर हमला करो ठीक, बद्रीनाथ की चोरी कर लो ठीक, और हम संत की आवाज को नाट तरीके से, चंपत राय जिस तरीके से या गिरियक जिस तरीके से संत का भेष धारण करके लूट रहे हैं, मैंने गिरियक का धारण करके यदि मैं देश की जनता के अस्तित्व के लिए काम कर रहा हूं और उसके विश्वास को जिंदा रखने के लिए अपने नेता के साथ खड़ा हूं, तो कौन सा गुनाह करके आप आस्था को धमकी दो, आप चोरी करो, आप सनातन की संस्कृति पर हमला करो।
आपके ऊपर सर चप्पल फेंके गए सर, लेकिन आपने चाकू से भी हमले का दावा किया है।
आपने देखिए ना सर, वो चाकू कहां से आ गया? उसी वक्त चाकू कहां से आ गया? कई लोग घायल है सर, सबकी उंगली कटी हुई है। हम ले आए क्या? सारे प्रेस वाले तो वहीं थे, उनके कमर में चाकू थी, हमने उनको बचाया। तो आप उसको देखिए।
एक आखिरी सवाल सर, कि आपने सर जिस तरीके से पार्लियामेंट में जो आपने नाट्य मंचन किया, उसको लेकर के तमाम जो हिंदू संगठन के भीतर ये गुस्सा है कि सनातन का अपमान किया पप्पू यादव ने।
हमको तो समझ में नहीं आता, मंदिर की सब कुछ चोरी करने वाले चंपत राय वो कुछ नहीं, हनुमान जी को नचाने वाले कुछ नहीं, राम के पतंग उड़ाने वाले कुछ नहीं, शंकराचार्य पे मारने वाले कुछ नहीं, केदारनाथ बद्रीनाथ सब मंदिरों की चोरी करके गायब कर दिया वो कुछ नहीं। हम संतों की आवाज बने और अपने विपक्ष के साथ खड़े होके अपने तरीके से मैंने प्रस्तुत किया। मैंने किसी को गाली नहीं दी, मैंने नैतिक मूल्यों का अवहेलना नहीं किया, मैंने कोई राम रेखा लक्ष्मण रेखा पार नहीं की। तब सारे अनैतिक संत करे, कोई संत बोलेगा इसको मार दो, जला दो, ये तो सब बाहर से खेल हो रहा है।